In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your design file link in Figma. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the first step here is head on over to figma.com and sign into your account. Then find that project or design you'd like to share. So I'm just using this baby tracking app for this demonstration. Now so if we go ahead and look on the top right hand corner, we've got a share button. So we've got share, so click on share. And now we can go ahead and give access via email here. So we can add in their email and click on invite. And then under that, it says who has access. So anyone can view. We can change that to view. They can edit. And you can also put a password required as well in the share settings. And under that, it's going to show you, obviously you're going to have access, so it's going to say your account name there. Now we can also copy this link and then paste this link to whoever, so you can paste it in an email, chat, social media, etc.